Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So when we went to communist country, Moscow, I think everyone was involved. They could not get in food stuff to their own choice. Whatever government rules, rubbish thing will supply, they will have to accept. And actually there was no good food stuff for us. We were staying in the National Hotel, and Shamsundar had to spend at least 2 hours for getting things. That also not very nice thing. Rice could not be obtained. One Madrasi gentleman, he supplied us some rice, nice atta, otherwise only milk and butter is available. And meat, that's all. No fruit, no vegetable, no nice rice. These things are not available. This is Kali Yuga. Things will be, supply will be reduced. Actually, the supply is made by Krishna. Nitya nityanam cetana cetananam eka jo bahunam vidadati kaman. That is the difference between God and ourselves. We are also person. God is also person. Nitya nityanam cetana cetana. He is also living entity. We are also living entity. So what is the difference between God and ourselves? The ego, that one living entity, nitya, singular number. So, bahunam vidadati kaman, he supplies the necessities of life to all these plural number, bahuna, nitya, nityanam, cetana, cetananam. Those who know Sanskrit, this nitya means singular number, person. And the nityanam, that is plural number. Both of them are persons, both of them are living entities. But why that similar number is considered to be supreme? Because he supplies foodstuff to all the poor. So actually Krishna has everything ready for supplying to all the living entities. Nobody is meant for starving. No, that is not. It's like in the prison house, although the prisoners, they are condemned, still government takes care of their food, of their hospitalization. Not that they should starve, no. Similarly, although in this material world, we are all condemned. We are prisoners. We are prisoners. We cannot move. We cannot go from one planet to another. They are trying so much. Now they are dead. They do not talk now. It is not possible because we are prisoners. Condition. You have to remain in this planet. One has to remain in that planet. Right? There is no question that out of your own will and freedom, because you have no freedom. But Narada Muni has freedom. Narada Muni is going from one planet to another, he is coming from the spiritual sky to the material sky, because he is perfect bhakta. So that is the ideal living entity. As Krishna has got full freedom, similarly when we become perfect Krishna conscious, we also become free. physical position, but not in the conditioned state, that we can move, Bhagya, Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagwan, we are conditioned. But in the conditioned state also, if we follow the Vedic principles, we can be happy. Happy, and this human form of life especially, it is meant for that purpose, that you live happily, save time for developing Krishna consciousness, so that next life you are no more in this material world, you are transferred to the spiritual world. This is the purpose of human life, but these rascals, they do not know. They think that we are advancing civilization because the cats and dogs, they lie on the floor and sleep. We have got 104-story building and we lie down there. This is their advancement. But they do not understand that sleeping, the enjoyment by sleeping is the same to the dog and to the man who is lying on the 104th story. And similarly, sex life to the dog and to the man or to the demigod, the pleasure is the same. There is no difference.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.